Yo, what is cracking, gang? Alex Mota's lawn care and junk removal business here, and today I'm bringing you guys another lawn care route video while talking about something very important. Is lawn care a good business to start in 2025? I made $1,000 mowing in a single day, but will this industry be profitable in the future? Stay tuned, because at the end of this video I'm breaking down all my expenses for this route so you can see how much I really profited for the day. Plus I'll be showing you guys all the tools and equipment I used. Let's get right into it. Man, before I start, I just want to say thank you guys for all the new subscribers. Like, that means a lot to me. I know I just got started, but I feel like we're on to something good here, so I just want to let you guys know that I appreciate y'all. If you guys got any questions or concerns, just hit me up with a comment. I'll always respond. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Just want to let you guys know, like, the way I do my routes is I have one worker mow the front lawn, the other does the backyard, then I mostly do the weed whacking, and that's how we take it throughout all the lawns. And when one of us finishes, we'll like clean up the grass clippings. Like, all of us are always moving around. There's never any downtime for us, to be honest. Only when we're like in the truck and headed to the next property. But yeah, let's get right into the video. Is lawn care a good business to start in 2025? I don't know if you guys seen that one South Park episode where everybody's looking for a handyman. If you guys haven't seen it, I'm gonna put a link in the description so you guys can check out the video. It's pretty funny. Basically, Stan's dad gets mad at Stan and her sister because they don't know how to do anything due to technology. Stan's dad tries to teach them how to fix a stove, but he doesn't even know how to do it, and he just ends up calling a handyman. And it's just funny because it just shows how there's like a high demand in somebody fixing stuff because people don't know how to do anything nowadays. But it's just crazy how even South Park made an episode showing us how this next generation with AI and technology advancing so fast, whether we like it or not, psychologically is making us lazier and causing us to have shorter attention spans. But where am I going with this? Since people are getting lazier, they don't want to mow their own lawns. For example, DoorDash and Uber Eats, those companies grow every single year because people are more willing to pay extra than to just avoid doing a simple task like picking up food. But those apps and companies, they made it that way. They want to make things easier for you, but all that stuff like kind of primes your mind. If people are getting too lazy to grab their own food all the time, do you really think they're gonna push a mower in the 90-degree heat? Nah, respectfully, because I know some of y'all most likely order food, and I'm just trying to make a point real quick. I used to deliver for DoorDash and Uber Eats, by the way, at the same time. If you know, you gotta do both apps to make it worth it. But anyways, there's a way to use this technology as an advantage. Since people get their groceries and food delivered to their home quick and easy, like with a press of a button, you can make it just as easy for people to get an estimate for lawn care and schedule a lawn cut. How do you do that? For example, you can have a website that gives them a quick price and they can get it scheduled, or a Facebook ad. You can offer an estimate, and the faster you take care of that customer, the higher chance you have of closing him. Since attention spans are low, the faster you are at answering the phone and getting that estimate done, the higher chances you have of keeping that customer all season long. So don't sleep on answering the phone calls, and if you miss a call, you better call right back ASAP. And some people actually think that robot mowers will take over. I mean, I've seen the robot mowers, they're pretty cool, but I feel like they're limited. Only being able to mow like on flat, even fields. Like, what if the lawn is muddy? Like, can the mower get stuck if there's a lot of obstacles, hilly areas, things like that? I feel like it'll just take a while. At the end of the day, there's still gonna be demand for real lawn care professionals who could handle any type of property, any condition, and get the job done fast and right. But let's be real, lawn care is not for everyone. This is hard work. It's long hours in the heat, sweating, getting covered in dirt and grass. That's why so many new lawn care businesses fail. They think it's easy money, but after a few weeks or like their first season in the brutal summer heat, they quit. But here's the thing, if you can handle it, the money is solid. The real goal, you don't have to stay a worker forever unless you want to. But the key to growing a successful lawn care business is stepping out of the field and just focusing on getting more clients, getting workers to do the mowing, that just focus on the business side, like marketing, pricing, sales, etc. The ones who survive aren't just mowing lawns, they're running the business. As long as people have lawns, they'll need somebody to mow them. And if you're smart about it, and you can make even more money by offering add-ons like flower bed cleanups, adding mulch, hedge trimming, a little tree work, junk removal for extra cash. I know junk removal is like another big industry that's pretty good right now. That's why I started junk removal like last year, and yeah, I've been doing some jobs that literally take me like less than 5 minutes, and you can make like 120 bucks. That's why I love junk removal too. That's why I do both of them. I recommend you guys look into that business as well. But anyways, that pretty much wraps up what I have to say. Stay tuned for all the tools. They're going to be at the end of the video, along with all the expenses and profits for this day, so you guys can see how much I really profited on this job. And yeah, if you guys got value from this video, make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and drop a comment. If you have any questions, concerns, I answer all the comments right now. So let me know if you guys think lawn care is still worth it in 2025. Stay grinding and stay winning. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace. ¿Dónde? We're down.